This last year we have selected Centrepoint, who support homeless young adults in the community. We've had talent nights, we've had sponsored walks, we've had collections for toiletries, and it's been great to see the whole of the business get involved and behind the charity. We've managed to raise around £37,000 for the charity, which has been fantastically well received by them.
And we partner with an organisation called Yorkshire, so we do lots of turn up and do challenges. We go to various sort of parks and local areas around the city and improve them.
And what's so amazing is that we now actually see in the community using the project at the park as well, which is absolutely fantastic. And so that's what we're trying to do is in our community, is really promote health and well-being in everything that we do and fund.
So our site team in Leeds, under the guidance of Sharon, our community development manager, have a food bank on site, so our teams all donate to that, and Sharon takes it over on a 6-weekly basis. The Salvation Army is just based over the road from our site. In addition, the site team also created a parking facility on site that people pay to park on site, which provided cheque then to give to the Salvation Army, and also cash for kids as well, so they've done a great job.
So back in February we collaborated with some other local organisations and businesses to put together a startup package worth over £24,000 for a local charity, and Yorkshire Sound Women Network had a really strong application. We really liked what they were doing, so we now offer them 2 days a month pro bono support for 12 months.
So we've been the social media partner for the Huddersfield Food and Drink Festival for 3 years now, so that means all of the inquiries that come through their social media, we do that at a reduced rate. It's like a full month of kind of planning, implementing it, and making sure that all the inquiries are responded to.
We do a lot of work with Simon on the Streets, which is a charity looking after the homeless. We had 25 of us sleeping out. It raised a huge amount of money, and I think last count we are at about £5,000 for that event alone. We're involved in all sorts of other things, such as coffee mornings for Macmillan, Wear It Pink Day, Children in Need. We are also actively involved with pro bono work. It involves working very closely, for example, with BPP. We work with them on a free legal advice clinic, and we help basically their students provide advice, and we sit and mentor them.
So we have this year been supporting Mind in Bradford, which has helped us not only raise funds for the charity through things like Gung Ho sponsored event. We had a giant scale electric in the car park and invited teams down to race around the track. But we also have helped to promote mental health both in the workplace and just in wider society. We are also a corporate partner for the 1 in a Million charity in Bradford, which helps children in the local area.
Well, every year as part of the Saltaire Festival we help with the Open Gardens competition. So we sponsor the printing of the leaflets, 2,000 leaflets to promote it. Well, we've been fundraising for Mind in Bradford, which led on to them talking to us about using our design skills to reconfigure their HQ in Bradford, and has led to a much better environment for those people who use their support services to start their journey to recovery.
Starting volunteering with TCV was a very easy choice for me. TCV connect people with nature, and they create high quality, sustainable, healthy and happy communities. And this is deeply aligned with my goals as architect. I started collaborating with them more than 1 year ago as key volunteer, and now I'm a volunteer officer. I'm always happy to raise awareness on how participating to their activities can improve well-being.
We're fortunate that we're based in communities, so we've got offices in Horsforth and in Bradford, and all our staff come from the community, so we are really fortunate in that respect. And the other thing that we do, we try and work really hard with our partners, so we work with the National Literary Trust, we work with Cornerstone Employers, we work with local authorities, and we work with the AHEAD partnership, and we do that so that we can combine our efforts and create more focus really in what we do, which is really important because we do want to make a real change in our region really.